What is number system? ANS. A number system is a system for representation of numeric data. A number system is defined as a set of values used to represent different quantities. We all are familiar with decimal number system, where each number consists of digits from 0 to 9. In a computer system, other number systems are also used, e.g. binary, hexadecimal, etc. What is decimal number system? ANS. The number system, which is base 10 and consists of digits from 0 to 9, is called decimal number system. This system is most common in usual mathematics. Example, 897, 10, 98, 76, 10, etc. Describe binary number system. ANS. The number system which has base 2 and uses only two digits 0 and 1 to represent any quantity. These digits are called binary digits or bit. Examples, 1101, 2, 1110, 2, etc. What is hexadecimal number system? ANS. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16. This number system uses 16 different digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Where A equals 10, B equals 11, C equals 12, D equals 13, E equals 14, F equals 15. Example, 758, 16, 3A4, 16, etc. What do you mean by conversion of number system? ANS. A process to convert one number system to another number system is called conversion of number system. For example, converting a decimal number to binary number. What is computer memory? Also write its types. ANS. Computer memory is used to store programs and data. There are two types of computer storage: volatile memory, primary memory, non-volatile memory, secondary storage. What is a storage device? ANS. Any computing hardware that is used for storing, porting, and extracting data is called a storage device. It can hold or store information both temporarily and permanently. It can also be internal or external to a computer. Examples, RAM, ROM, USB flash drive, etc. What is the difference between internal storage and external storage? ANS. Internal storage. Internal storage are located on motherboard. Internal storage devices are connected to some fixed slots. To attach an internal storage device, we need to turn off the computer. Examples, RAM, ROM, hard disk, etc. External storage. External storage is plug it into and start using it without turning off a computer. These devices are plug and play. Examples, portable hard disk, USB flash drive, etc. How data is represented in computer memory. ANS. Digital computers store data in binary form. It means that whether it is a text, picture, movie, or some application, it is stored in computer's memory in the form of OS and ones. All the characters on your keyboard has an associated code in binary. This code is called ASCII code of the character. What is ASCII? ANS ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, is one such coding scheme published by ISO, International Standards Organization. It is a 7-bit coding scheme. The codes are assigned to various characters. Most computers also use 8-bit ASCII code. Example, A equals 65, B equals 66, and A equals 97, etc. What is the difference between memory and storage? ANS. Memory. It is called primary memory, connected directly to the processor. Expensive and small capacity. Examples, RAM and ROM. Storage. It is called secondary memory, not directly connected to the processor. Cheap and large capacity. Examples, floppy disk, hard disk, etc. What is bit and why binary number system is important for our computer? ANS. Bit stands for binary digit. A bit is the smallest unit of data and has value L or 0 representing ON or OFF state. Computer understands only machine language, which consists of binary codes 0 and 1. So binary number system is very important for our computer. What is byte or character? ANS. A collection of 8 bits is called a byte. It is a set of bits which represent a particular character or symbol. In memory, one byte can store only one character. What is compound proposition? ANS. Sometimes we assemble more than one propositions to make one proposition called a compound proposition. Example, if we have the following two propositions. Today is Monday. I am in school. Then today is Monday and I am in school is a compound proposition. Truth value of the compound proposition depends upon the truth values of the individual propositions and the logical zero operator used to connect the propositions. In this example, and is a logical operator. What is a truth table? ANS. A truth table is used to check whether a proposition is true or false. Usually it is used to check the truth value of a proposition, where some logical operator is used. What is an operator? ANS. An operation is used for logical multiplication. An operator can also be denoted by a dot symbol. It means that P and Q may also be written as PQ. If we use an operator to connect two or more propositions, then the compound proposition is true only if all the connected propositions are true. What is OR operator? ANS. OR operation is used for logical addition. OR operator can also be denoted by a plus symbol. In OR operator, the compound proposition is true if at least one proposition is true. In other words, the compound proposition is false only if all the propositions are false. It means that P or Q may also be written as P plus Q. What is NOT operator? ANS. NOT operator is an inverter operator. NOT is used to negate a proposition. It reverses the F to T and T to F. NOT operator can also be denoted by a not sign symbol. It means that not P may also be written as P. What are truth value? Give examples. ANS. Every proposition takes one of two values, true or false, and these values are called the truth values. Truth value is given on the basis of truthfulness or falsity of a proposition. What is a logical expression? ANS. We get a logical expression when some logical operator is applied to the Boolean propositions. Example P and Q, P or Q, etc. Differentiate between volatile and non-volatile memory. ANS. Volatile memory. In volatile memory, data is not stored permanently. Data is present till power supply is present. Expensive and small capacity. Fast access. Example, RAM is an example of volatile memory. Non-volatile memory. In non-volatile memory, data is stored permanently. Data remains even power supply is not present. Cheap and large capacity. Slow access. Examples, ROM, hard disk, flash drives and memory cards, etc. are some examples of non-volatile memory. Differentiate between temporary memory and permanent storage. ANS. Temporary memory. Temporary memory is also called volatile. In temporary memory, data is not stored permanently. Data is present till power supply is present. Temporary storage are mostly faster than permanent storage. Example, RAM is an example of temporary storage. Permanent storage. Permanent storage is also called non-volatile. In permanent storage, data is stored. Data remains even power supply is not present. Permanent storage are mostly slower than temporary memory. Examples, floppy disk, hard disk, flash drives and memory cards, etc. are some examples of permanent storage.